Hi and welcome everybody. This is my video on how to install the Asylum ICS ROM for the Galaxy Note GTN 7000. So you must start with a gingerbread based ROM. So once you are on a gingerbread based ROM, download the link 1, link 2 and the link 3. Transfer it onto your SD card. So once that's done, reboot into recovery by holding the volume up, power and the home keys. Okay, let go the buttons once you see this. Okay, so this is the clockwork based recovery. So what you do is choose install zip from SD card and choose zip from SD card and navigate to the link 1, that is the cyanogenmod9.zip, and hit yes install. Okay, so that's complete. Again go to choose zip from SD card and navigate to the link 2, that is the Google Apps. Yes install. Okay, now go back and do a wipe data factory reset. Delete all user data. Okay, now hit reboot system now. Okay, so now I'm on the CyanogenMod. Let me just show you. Okay, I'm running the CyanogenMod version 9. So now I'm on the CyanogenMod 9. So again, what you do is reboot into recovery by holding the volume up, power and the home key. Okay, let go the buttons. Now what you do is go to wipe cache partition. Don't do a factory data reset, and wipe cache. And again go to advanced and wipe Dalvik cache. Yes. Okay, so now that's done. Go back and choose install zip from SD card. Choose zip from SD card and navigate to wherever you have saved the link 3, that is the Asylum ICS ROM. Select it and hit yes install. Okay, so the installation has been completed. Again go to choose zip from SD card and again install the G apps, the link 2. Yes install. Okay, now go back and hit reboot system. Okay guys, so we're up. Let me just show you what I'm running. Go to system settings, about phone. Okay, you can see that I'm running the Asylum ICS 21 final. So that's all about the installation of the Asylum's ICS ROM. This is based on the Cyanogen mod. So I'll be reviewing this ROM soon, so stay subscribed. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Explore Gadgets signing off. Bye bye now and have a good day.